Hello everybody, what's up? How's everybody doing today? Happy Monday. This is starting the last week of the first month of 2019. Can y'all believe it? We are getting ready to end January of 2019. All right, so this is to continue these short, quick videos that I've been doing about common questions that wholesalers ask in the business. So we're going to address this one thing. There's one thing that really bothers me. It bothers me, and I just want to share my perspective on this thing. And I'm just going to come real close. Super close. Super close. Super close. Super close. Super close. You don't need a team. You don't need a team. I hear this over and over and over again. I was even told this when I joined my first real estate investing mentor group. One of the first things that they were telling us to do: go get a team of real estate agents, find you a title company, buy this, buy that, get you a website, get you a CRM, all of those things. They were saying, go out and do this. Do all these things before you make the first step in actually making something happen. And I think that is baloney. I don't think you need a CRM to start this business. When we started out, our CRM was Excel, a composition notebook, a notepad, and the note section, and a cell phone. That's it. That's what we use to organize our leads in the beginning. And I suggest this, even with the real estate agent, find you a real estate agent to run your comps. I don't agree with that either. There are online MLS websites that you can use that will get the job done, meaning that the data is going to be good enough for you to really use it to run your comps. Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com. I mean, the list goes on and on. So you don't need a team of real estate agents to run your comps for you. You can do that yourself. I just believe that everything that you need will fall in place. When you have a great deal, your buyer's gonna come. You're gonna find a title company. You know, you're gonna get the contracts. You're gonna get everything that you need when you have a great deal, okay? So I'm not saying to be completely disorganized and not to really think of head that if you do have a title company that you know that's wholesaler friendly, use them, you know? But just keep in mind, if you're reaching out, sorry y'all, that sun is really bright, so let me move, let me see, you know, that beautiful sun. That if you are contacting these professional people, you're contacting real estate agents who do this for business. You're contacting buyers. You're contacting these people that are really out here making it happen. And you come in and saying, hey, I'm a new wholesaler. I just wanted to know, would you be interested in blah, 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 blah. I'm going to tell you now, they're probably going to give you a cold shoulder. Why? Because you don't have anything. You don't have a deal at that point. You don't have anything to really capture their attention. You haven't got the thing that they actually will be interested in. But I will say, though, when you have that deal, you have everybody's attention. You have that title company's attention, because guess what? You are a potential client. You have a buyer's attention because you have a great deal, you know. So just keep those things in mind when you are looking at some other online content about how to start in this business, whether it's real estate investing in general or wholesaling specifically. They're saying, hey, go out there and build your team. Well, you have to prove your concept. There's a thing in business called proving your concept. You have to get out there and see what actually works for you as far as your lead generation, learning your market, and your education. Those are the things that's most important right now, is really figuring out the business for yourself. And I think that it's beneficial for you to be involved in every aspect of it right now from beginning to end, so you actually know how everything works, okay? learning how to navigate online resources in order to do your research, that type of thing. So get out there, get your hands dirty, make this thing happen, okay? And don't worry about getting a team. Your team will come. You know, when you actually make a reputation for yourself with doing good business out here, people are going to want to do business with you. When you supply great deals, those buyers are going to be calling you back and saying, hey, do you have anything else? You know what I'm saying? That title company is going to be gladly to work with you again once that they've seen that you actually conduct professional business, you know? And I'm saying that after you have actually closed your first deal. So I would say concentrate on getting your first deal, learn as much as you can, soak up all the knowledge, take action on the things that you're learning, okay? And your team will follow. You're gonna build that, hands down, okay? So I am checking out today. I hope you all have a great week, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.